This is the LEM8. It's a flagship 4G in certain areas connectivity smartwatch running Android 7.1.1 with all sorts of goodies in it, including something new to show you. In addition to tethering to your watch to get notifications and a full app drawer, when you go into settings and check out display, you'll notice something new. Always time. When that's turned on, your screen will never go black. It will go to a little time display giving you analog time. It's an ambient mode for the pure Android watch. In addition to all of this, down below, you have all of your step count information, including weekly charts, and you have your full complement of standard apps that come with Android watches. You have a 2-megapixel camera on the side, Google Maps, location services, and GPS. It's the LEM8. Check it out.